I have seen some of the people are taking their career selection with respect to others' opinion. It is a very biggest mistake even now also, when there are lakhs of informations are available at internet, still people are doing the same kind of a mistake. I am not getting what is the exact reason behind it, because there are so many people are available for advising the youngsters. It is okay, it's good, only the intention is good, but the thing is that during this advice they are trying to insist some idea or some experience or some feedback on others life. Here the major thing is that one person, every individual has got their own capacity, but my capacity will be different. Their capacity is not about even capacity, it is about the strength. My strength areas are different, his other person's strength areas are different. So, well, before selecting the career, we need to understand so many things. We need to ask ourselves, we should ask ourselves what I am uh, good at, what is coming naturally to us, to me, and where, what is my strength, what are all my values, and what I can do with this career, why I am selecting this career. All these questions repeatedly we need to ask and convinced by ourselves, then only we should select career. Otherwise it is going to be a very big tragedy at the end of the day. I have seen, I was talking with the two of my cousins recently, and I really understood that, pinpoint during that conversation, because somebody, lot many people are, advising and giving that this person has got good salary, within short span of time he got promotion, and so many bogus, so many bogus, I can say like that, because what is that, they are just showing something, showing off something. This career is good, this course is good, you take that one, once you pass out that, then no need to worry about anything, you got everything. But this is not thing, it is totally different, it's a myth, or we cannot even call it as myth. And the problem is the person who is listening this, he is in urge to find out some job. He doesn't know about the job market, he has not experienced it. He is just coming out of the course after the education, and he wants to follow some of the people who is advising, or some he is feeling like, if he is feeling that yes, this person is telling what he is talking is good. So ultimately this is what is happening, and people will happen, what will happen is, after some time, after within 1 year span of time, the people will get fully demotivated, frustrated, and he cannot do anything in a wrong career. And ultimately these 2 years or 1 year whatever has spent, which is got no meaning in his life, and only few experiences and some learnings will be there, I'm not saying that, but this 2 years of lows cannot be compromised at any point of time. He will not, it is not going to add so much of value to his further career, and losing 2 years and all, it is really a big loss in the life. So before advising, if you are advising also, or if you are listening also, please look into this matter. While selecting the career, it is important, our individual strength, values, purpose, and our inner call, everything is mattering, and other things are, it is not having much role on this. Please look into that very seriously, because and if you are advising, please look into that, ask advice in this way, rather than suggesting one industry which will be doing wonders. It is not at all like that. Okay, so and the person who is listening also need to be very careful about this. Please don't do this mistake. Let us save a lot of time, and you will have a wonderful career if you are in the right, if you have selected your career wisely. After doing the workouts, after doing the analysis, if you are selecting your career, you will do wonders in your career. Okay, thank you, all the best.